Arizona, homeowner's best friend.
During the break, you guys were both talking about a lot of times you just need to prune with a shovel.
Well, if it's a large tree, that might be an exception to that. Although, if they get bad enough at some point, sometimes you just have to face the music. But certainly with smaller landscape shrubs, and even with just this frost stems, if you've got some stuff, you look at it and go, I'm going to have to prune it back to 2 inches above the ground. Well, maybe it's just as wise to dig it up and put a new one. If it hasn't been there very long,
right?
Maybe start over. Maybe something that isn't quite as frost sensitive would be a better choice. So I think being realistic, especially with what I value my time and effort and everything else these days. I think we fool ourselves into thinking and I think some of it's because it is a living organism. It's a plant. We don't want to kill it.
Sure.
Sort of thing. But sometimes really the best remedy is to just replace it.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.